Did you know you can save 60% off Tatti lashes when you use your MUA discount? Whether you're a working MUA, creating content at home, or just lash obsessed, Tatti Lashes MUA discount is available to anyone with no certificate required, because we know how many amazing self-taught artists there are in the industry. The 60% off MUA discount is available on the full collection. We have a wide range of strip lashes starting from £2.95. From clear to black band, natural to glam, there is something to suit all eye shapes. Our individual lashes are available within the discount for as low as £2.95. We originally created our individual lashes with MUAs in mind, including multi-lengths that are cost-effective so you can create multiple looks from one pack. And we've also recently introduced single length packs. There are so many styles to choose from, available in black fibers, mixed brown and black fibers, and a range of brown fibers. We also offer lash multi-packs, which are super handy to have in your kit and work out at just £2 per lash. All you've got to do is add 20 or more lashes to your cart and it auto applies at checkout. It's really that easy. You could mix and match any lashes so you can build a customized kit that is tailored to you and your clients' preferences. We are super excited to join you on your journey in the makeup industry.